We're on a tight schedule and we may have to leave without them. Uh-oh. We've got to go! Oh, come on, suitcase, let's go! Welcome to the Fizzy Show! I cannot wait to go on vacation. How about you, Isabela? In case you couldn't tell, I'm already totally in vacation mode. Yeah. Ooh, sunglasses. Yes, I definitely need to grab mine. Haha, I almost forgot sunglasses. So silly. Okay, let me pack my suitcase. Think I'm going to take this very colorful dress right here. Ooh, that dress is so much fun. Okay, I'll fold it up and put it in my suitcase. I also need my beach towel, my sparkly bathing suit, my noise-canceling headphones because our family is pretty noisy, my camera, my hat to keep the sun out of my eyes. Woohoo! Definitely my bunny slippers. Hee-hee! Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Can't forget my cell phone. Wait a minute. I'm going to put that in my purse. Oh, what purse should I bring? Oh, no. I meant to buy a new purse for our vacation. I need a really big one to carry all of my stuff. Me too. I was planning to use it as a carry-on because I still have my water bottle, my neck pillow, my sunglasses, my lip balm, and a box of chocolates. I don't know what we're going to do. I mean, I have a giant suitcase and a backpack, but that's not nearly enough. You do know that we're just going for 2 days, right? Yes, 2 whole days. So that means 7 outfits, 5 pairs of shoes, 2 sweatshirts, pajamas. Oh, so much I need to bring.
Fizzy, it sounds like the girls could really use a hand bag.
Oh, they need a handbag or a purse?
Yes, they do. Can I try my Phoebe magic? Go for it, Phoebe. Phoebe, weeby, boppy, beep, bop.
Wow, thanks, Phoebe. Let's see if the girls can find handbags inside of these capsules that they can take on vacation. Let's see what we found in here. Well, there's a sticker of a handbag, and it looks like lipstick. That's pretty lipstick, but I really need a handbag. Well, there is no handbag in that bag. It looks like you have some perfume and eyeshadow. I'll put these all right here because your suitcase is full. Exactly, that's why I need a handbag. Okay, we have one more chance to get a handbag, and yes, you have a nice big handbag. Actually looks like a tote, which is perfect for your neck pillow, your chocolates, your lip balm, sunglasses, cell phone, water bottle, and even your new makeup, your lipstick, your eyeshadow, and your perfume. All in there and ready to go. Wow, thanks so much. Isabela, I hope you find a handbag too. Me too, and quickly because I still have to pack and we have a plane to catch. Okay, Isabela, let's see what we have for you. Let's find that handbag for you. Oh boy, we just have a sticker. That's not gonna work. Oh, look, you got the same perfume as Mirabel. Makeup brush. Look at this beautiful wallet. Very cool, but that's not gonna hold all the things you need for vacation. Oh boy, I'm in serious trouble. I really need a big handbag. All right, well, let's see what we have in here. Hey, you're in luck. Wow, look at this cool green handbag, and it is so big. Let's take the stuffing out of here. Ooh, I love the zipper and the buckles. This is so very fashionable and colorful. It's just perfect for you. So let's put your wallet in there. We can even put your makeup brush and your perfume. You have another pair of sunglasses that can go in here. And your lipstick.
Woohoo!
All right, time to finish packing for Isabela. Yes, I need this dress right here. Okay, we'll fold up her dress and put it right in here. She also has her hat, toothpaste, toothbrush, a little tiny handbag, a pair of boots, a pair of high heels, a purple necklace, 3 bottles of nail polish. Is that really necessary? I want my nails to always look their best. Another dress, and I think we need to move on to the backpack because you're running out of room. So let's close this up. And inside of her backpack, we have a pair of comfortable shoes, a pair of jeans, her toothbrush, her face cream, and her compact. All right, wow, they barely fit in there. Thanks for the help. I have so much stuff to take, and look at the time! Mirabel, we need to run! We have to catch this airplane! Aren't you forgetting something? Oh, yes, my luggage, my purse, everything! We've got to go! Whoa! Come on, suitcase, let's go! Wow, I've never seen her move so fast. All right, I'm coming. Is everyone on board? It's time to take off. No, we're still missing 2 people. Well, we're on a tight schedule and we may have to leave without them. Uh-oh. Wait, we're here. Okay, please, don't leave without us. We are hopping on the plane. We are ready to go. All right, you're just in time. I'll open the plane back up. Thanks so much. Let's see here. Where can I put my handbag? Oh, there's an overhead compartment right above your seat. You can put it there. Hey, you look awfully familiar. Yeah, I get that a lot. Okay, I'll just open this up and put my purse right up here. Isabella, hand me your handbag and I'll put it up there. Oh, thanks, Mirabel. Okay, let's just open this right up and in her bag goes. Okay, just a few things before takeoff. Every seat has a TV with a remote control that you can use. Oh, awesome! I can watch the TV right in front of me. And as you can see, we also have magazines for you to read. Ooh, I love reading magazines when I'm on an airplane. These seats are comfortable. Ooh, there's a TV? Nice! Okay, please put your seatbelts on, and once we reach maximum altitude, I'll be bringing around some snacks. Did somebody say snacks? I love snacks. We're ready for liftoff. Here we go! Ooh, look at this sky. It's pink and blue. Such a beautiful sunset. That was a great magazine. I don't know about you, Isabella, but I'm starving. Isabella? Isabella! Take off your headphones! Oh, sorry about that. What were you saying? I was just saying I could really use a snack right now. You are in luck. Snacks are here. Actually, it's a whole meal. You're getting special VIP treatment today. Wow, thank you. We have the chef's salad from Mirabel and a bottle of water. Here you go. Thanks so much. And sushi with some coffee for Isabella. Thanks so much. Is there anything else I can get for you? No, but I have a question. How much longer is the flight? Oh, not much longer. Just enough time for you to have your meal and maybe take a quick little nap. Hey, speaking of naps, do you have any eye masks? I do indeed. Here you go. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, I just keep thinking I know you from somewhere. Oh, you may, but just let it go. Now I know who it is. All right, time to eat, take a nap, and get our vacation started. Well, I'm done eating. Time to lay back and get some shut-eye. I don't think I'll be getting any shut-eye with all of Isabella's snoring. Everyone, prepare for landing. Whoa! And we're here. Wow. That was an awesome flight. 10 out of 10, recommend. So glad you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a Yelp review. Definitely will. And now it's time to start relaxing.
Oh, what a fun trip! We hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we hope you have a fizzy fantastic day!